Okay, great. So yesterday we have discussed about right those things. So now I'm going to tell about how to run the program through command prompts because yesterday we have seen the setup. Like there are two ways of setup, right? One is temporary and then one more is permanent. So now I will write it one small program in Notepad. Okay, so I will tell you what is class and what is the class name and everything. But as of now, you people just aware of these things. Just one. Void. And then I'm creating a main method and then array type and args. Just I'm printing. So now I'm going to save whatever the file you have written in Java programming. That file you should save with the .java extension. So I'm going to save it in desktop test1 .java. Actually, in my local machine, I haven't done any of the permanent setup or local setup, right? I mean to say temporary. So now I'm going to save this file into C drive. So this is my Java file. I'm cutting this one, cut, and then pasting into C drive here. So here you people have to observe whenever here I am saving this file, okay, test1.java. Now I'm going to open command prompt. So this is the path of my location, C users null Sivake. And then I will cut this one and then I will go to my users and then null Sivake. Here I will put it. This is my file name where it is stored it in. So now I want to run this file. This file is called as .java file. Whenever I mouse over on here, see type is Java file and then size is 104 bytes and date modified is today's date and type. So now if I want to compile my program, see, yesterday I have mentioned whatever .class file will compile, that compilation is done, then that file will be converted into bytecode means .class file. Okay, so using command prompts, I'm going to tell here. So how we will utilize? So we have any command called Java C compile. Okay, C is then a compile, and then here you need to provide any file name test one with the extension is called .java. So .java. As soon as I compile here, see now I will hit enter. So my code has been compiled successfully without having error. See if it is having any error at what line? Test one Java two errors is missing. I mean to say it is asking comma and then closed bracket is expected. Okay, let me go and check it where it is having error. I need to open this one. See here parenthesis is missing. So I need to save it once again. Okay. Anything else we have missed here? Now it's fine. Let me close this file. Now let me open again. So you need to click on up arrow. As soon as you click on up arrow, whichever command you have used previous one, that command will be displayed here. So now again I will hit enter. Let me see if there are any errors will be there. Yeah, now it is successfully compiled. Okay, now it has been successfully compiled. As soon as I compiled my Java file, that will be converted into bytecode with dot class file. See here. Here you are able to see, right? Dot class file. Just now 11:28. It has been converted this time. Okay, fine, Sitarama. Okay, let me delete this class file. So yesterday we have discussed about what is Java and their features and which type of applications we can develop, and which type of platforms will be there, and then how to set up path in your local machine. So in today's session, I'm going to tell about how to run a Java program using command prompt using the command prompts. Okay. So here I have created one basic programming testing application to print in our console. That is in Notepad. Okay. This is my class name. Okay. And then I have saved it with dot Java extension. As soon as you have mentioned the type is in a Java file. So now I need to compile my program, whether it is correct or not. As soon as I compile my program, that will be converted into bytecode. Okay. So for that, I'm going to write a command by using command prompt. So here, now I open my command prompt. My file location is present in C users and null K because I didn't set up any path in my local machine due to security policy. That's why I have pasted my code file in C drive, and then I have opened it here, and then I'm writing in a command prompt Java C. C means compiler, and then I'm providing a file name test1 with dot extension. Okay. Someone is put it in mute. Ram Prasad, could you please put it in mute? Yeah, let me. Yes, Ravan, I will teach you each and everything programs as well, but I'm now going to tell about using command prompt, how to write a program so far. Okay. No need
Shivana,
to.
Shivana,
Yeah, yeah, go ahead.
hello. Your voice is not audible properly for me.
Just give me a second. Yeah, now you people are able to hear me.
Yes, Anna.
Okay, great. Thank you so much.
You start beginning start today that one. I didn't.
Yeah, go ahead, Ram Prasad. You are telling something.
బిఫోర్ సరిగా వినలేదన్నా అది ఒకసారి చెప్పండి.
Okay, okay, fine. Yeah. See, now I'm going to write a one just basic program like hello world or whatever may be. Just I'm printing these things in the single double quote. Okay, just I'm printing. So for that, I have written a Java program in my notepad. Okay. So for that, we need some keywords. Okay. And then class name, modifiers, and then return type. So whenever that concept will come, I will explain each and everything. But so far, you people have to understand this one. Okay. And then as soon as I created my I created my Java programming. You should save with the file extension .java. Okay, go to file and then save as, and then you select in your location, and then you create one .java. Like this, you need to save it your Java files. Okay, so now I have written just basic program. Now I want to run this program using command prompt with the commands. So how I will do it? So I will open my command prompt. I will check my location. Okay, this is my location, and then my path, my file is present in this particular location, and then I'm using this command Java compile and then test1 .java, because this is my file name, right? And then I'm giving extension .java. As soon as I compile my program, it will generate .class file. See here, test1 is Java file. As soon as I'm running this file, it will be generating like this class file. Let's see. So now I'm hitting here, enter. Okay, now I have entered here. If I go and see it in my local mission, one more, see here, class file will be generated here. Test1 and test1. One is for Java file, one is for class file. Now I'm going to tell you practically how internally will be converted Java file with the class file. Okay, and then I want to run this class file with the help of one more command. Okay, how we will run it? Java space test1 file name. As soon as I run this command in the console, it will show the output testing application. No need to provide any of the dot extension, .java extension. That should be fine to run the program. See, testing application is displaying what we have written in the code, testing application. So now you got it right, how to compile our program and how to run our program using command prompt. But actually going forward, I will tell you where we will write our programs in Eclipse, how we will create a classes, packages, and project as well. So is it clear, you guys? Okay, great. Yeah. Now let me go into the document.